What's up guys, Chigs here from Chigs Tech Reviews. Today I've got my hands on the brand new LEMFO LEMD. Now this is a new budget smart sports watch with a hidden surprise. You have a pair of true wireless stereo earbuds hidden in the right side of the watch, and I can't wait to show you guys how that works. But first of all, on the front you have a 1.3 inch TFT display with a screen resolution of 360 by 360. So nice bright clear screen with a pretty decent screen resolution, and the watch itself is made from stainless steel. You've got a silver finish at the bottom, black on the sides, and the actual bezels you can see finished in blue and silver. And looking at this watch, you cannot tell that there are earbuds hidden within the body. So a very nice, interesting design. So on the side we have our earbuds, and you can just pull them out of the crown. The earbuds are quite small and compact. As soon as you take them out, they're ready to pair. If you've already paired them, they will immediately pair with your device. The sound quality is mediocre with basically no bass, but it does get surprisingly loud. But overall, I wouldn't expect a superb sound quality in this price point. Also, when you put the earbuds back in, they are held magnetically, and you will see the lights turn on, which means they are charging. So they will now automatically charge themselves up back to 100, and the lights will switch off once they're charged. Now on the other side we have two buttons, power button and a back button, and at the bottom of the watch we have our charger pins and heart rate sensor. And I'll quickly show you the charger. So it's a magnetic USB charger which just clips on, and it takes around 2 hours to fully charge this watch up, but it will give you a full 7-day battery life, which is pretty decent. Now the watch dimensions, this is 52 millimeters in diameter with a thickness of 20 millimeters and weighs 88 grams. Now the straps are made from silicone. They are fixed and non-removable straps. And this is how the watch looks on my wrist. So in case you're wondering, I have a wrist circumference of 7 inches, and this watch looks absolutely huge on my wrist. And just to compare it, I will bring in the Apple Watch, which you can see is more suited to my wrist size. So that's how the watch looks on my wrist. I have to say it's fairly comfortable, although I can feel the weight and the bulk. Furthermore, the watch connects to your smartphone via Bluetooth. It supports both Android and iOS devices. However, there is no built-in Wi-Fi, GPS or any SIM card slot. So you cannot take any phone calls on this watch, even via Bluetooth, but you will receive all your read-only notifications from your smartwatch, and you will also get alerts if someone phones you. Now the watch is running a custom basic OS, and it's very easy to use and navigate. The touchscreen is very responsive, and the watch will track your daily activities, which include step counter, calories, distance, and apparently blood pressure and blood oxygen levels, and this will also track your sleep every night. And there are also 7 sports modes built in. Now all your health activities can be viewed from your smartphone. So quick look at the smartphone app, which is called Fit Cloud Pro. And if I open it up, as soon as you open up the app, it will automatically sync all your data. So 342 steps, progress 17. So I have a target of 2,000 steps, which I've set myself. Total calories burnt so far, total distance, and my goal for today, 2,000 steps. Now sleep data, heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen. You can click to measure all items, and if you click on devices at the bottom over here, you will see your device options. So these are all your device options, and if you see over here watch faces, if you click on that, you'll have a whole bunch of watch faces that you can immediately download and send to the watch. So if I click on my watch faces, these are the 2 watch faces that I've actually downloaded already, and you can send them to the watch by just tapping on them and click sync watch face. And it does take about 1 minute to send that watch face from your phone to the actual watch. And there you go, a minute later we have that watch face downloaded. There is another way you can change your watch face. If you keep the center press for around 2 seconds, you will have access to 4 built-in watch faces, and this is what they look like. That's the first one, second watch face, third watch face, and the 4th one is what we just downloaded. Furthermore, this watch has an IP67 Life waterproof rating. Now that means you can wash your hands or use this watch in the rain, but you cannot submerge this into water, so I wouldn't go swimming with this watch on. Now let's quickly check out the watch features. If you swipe down from the top, you've got your connection information and quick toggles for settings, brightness, etc. If we swipe up, you've got your notifications, and these are read-only. So if you click any one of these, you have the option to delete, but you cannot reply to these messages. Now if you swipe to the right, you've got your apps, and I'll quickly go through them with you. You've got data, sports, heart rate sensor, sleep, blood pressure monitor, you've got your blood oxygen levels, weather, stopwatch, messages, find my phone, and settings. And I'll quickly skim through the settings. You've got brightness, language, vibration intensity, and under system you can go to about, shutdown, or reset. Now if we swipe to the left, you've got your health tracking at a glance. So you've got your steps, distance, and calories. Swipe again, you've got your heart rate sensor. So the green light is on, you can put this on your wrist and it will give you a heart rate reading. And if you swipe once more, you've got your sleep data. So how well you've slept. And all of this information can be seen in more detail directly on your smartphone. So now we are going to test out the heart rate sensor. I have the Apple Watch on one wrist and the LEMFO LEMD on the other wrist. And we are running simultaneous heart rate tests so we can find out how accurate the LEMFO D is. So the Apple Watch has already given us a reading of 105. The LEMFO just brought itself up to match the Apple Watch. So I think the LEMFO is giving an accurate reading, but it's a little bit behind. So you do have to wait a few seconds for it to update. I do have both watches quite tightly fixed, and you do have to do that in order to get an accurate reading. So while we're here, I would like to test out the screen on hand raise, and I will compare it to the Apple Watch. So here we go. So Apple Watch Instant is one of the fastest screen on hand raises you can get right now. And the LEMFO was a lot slower. Let's do it again. So Apple Watch Instant, and again LEMFO after about 2.5 seconds. I'm going to try it again. Here we go. Yep. So the screen on hand raise with the LEMFO D is certainly not the fastest we've seen in recent times. So there you have it, guys. That was the LEMFO LEMD Smart Fitness Watch. Now this watch is priced at only £49 in the UK and around $59 US. The watch offers premium stainless steel build quality, gives a real full-size sports watch look. So those of you out there who actually want a watch with some presence, something that you can actually feel, well, this is exactly that. Now, I wish we had IP68 certification. That would have been amazing. Nevertheless, bottom line, a full-size budget sports watch that can track your fitness and give you a basic pair of earbuds hidden within the body. Now, decent fitness tracking capabilities with fairly accurate heart rate sensor. Now, for the price, I would say you're getting your money's worth. And with that being said, I will leave the links in the description so you guys can check this product out. Meanwhile, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have a brilliant day. I'll see you guys in the next one.